got in front of me a Huawei B535 outdoor 4G antenna kit. So there's some options with it that I have on the table here as well, but we'll just go through the basics here. So the first thing to note here is that this is our MIMO aerial here. So it covers a frequency range of 800 to 2170 megahertz, okay? The cables that come with it here, there's an SMA type connection here. The SMA cables themselves are 10 meters long, so that's what comes standard with it, okay? And then there's a bracket mounted on it here, and we've loosened this off. There are wing nuts on it, and you use that to attach it directly onto a bracket. So we'll just look at the two options that we have with it. The first thing is, it says you want to have a bracket and bolt for mounting this on a wall. So normally people would actually go for this. They want the kit, unless there's a pole or an aerial or a TV aerial or something was before. You just use these and mount it directly onto the wall. And then the next option is, say, is the cable that's on it sufficiently long? 10 meters may or may not be long to get from where the aerial has been mounted to where you have your 4G router. So it gives the option then of either getting a 5 or a 10 meter extension cable with it, which will just, it's a male and female connection, so it can just add on, and it still gives the same termination on the far end. So what we decided to do is, because we knew that the B535 is such a popular model, that we would come along and design a kit that we know specifically it'll work with. We've been able to test it here, the connections will be right, so if you look this up, buy it, it'll just work perfectly, and there's free delivery with it. So that's it anyway, an overview of the Huawei B535 outdoor 4G antenna kit.